And I was thinking, oh shit, today's day has gone and I have not documented anything. I was feeling deep down so guilty about it. I was just scrolling, lying on the bed. Alright, so hi everyone, this is me, Shrejal Mishra, and this is basically another day of Learn AI with me. First of all, because I'm gasping like I need to sit because I have come here on upstairs, and because I'm not that much healthy, so that's why it is happening. But I literally, why it has been so dark, the reason is being that first thing, I was not feeling that much okay. I was literally having pills, having my lunch and breakfast and everything on the bed itself, because and apart from that I had legit pretty much severe back pain in my back, so that's why I was not able to write. But yeah, I tried to write some things, complete the stuff while lying on the bed, and eventually I just was not able to do this properly. I barely have written just half page. Then I slept and just got up, had lunch, medicines and all of that, and then again went for sleep because I was feeling pretty much lethargic. I was not even able to open my eyes properly. I don't know, was that happening just because of medicines or the pills, or was there any other reason? But yeah, it was happening. But eventually I was not able to document. I was thinking, oh shit, today's day has gone and I have not documented anything. I was feeling deep down so guilty about it. I was just scrolling, lying on the bed. But then I realized that, dude, I am on a challenge, and I myself have told myself clearly, even at the beginning of this, challenge, that there will be days when I have not studied or not have, learned anything pretty much, remarkable related to AI. But still, I want to document the days because that will somewhere or the other help me, become resilient. And at the same time, it will, I'm actually working on my communication skills, so even if I have not learned that much, still I am doing it, and I'm speaking in English, documenting in English. So ultimately I'm working on my communication as well. So the effort, that the little effort that I'm making is not, it should not be considered as waste. Actually, I actually thought that if I will not be forcing myself to do the right thing, nobody else will be forcing. Even my family members too also were telling me that, okay, just go sleep, don't study, don't do anything, don't watch podcast or anything. By the way, learning of the day, it's not that I have not learned anything related to it. I watched a video of Ansh Mehra sir, in which he was just featuring the ChatGPT image 2.0, I guess. So it was literally pretty good. I even created a comic kind of thumbnail today. So that was the thing. I watched that one single video related to AI, and watched that video on 30 days English upscaling kind of something. So that was also the thing. This was the little which I learned and which I did today. I thought that I ultimately reminded myself a quote that, okay, consistency beats intensity. I need not to be that much intense every day, and it will not even be possible. So that's exactly what am I doing. I'm really sorry that if I'm looking pretty much terrible or bad, literally, but yeah, that's exactly what it is. I think I have become successful not breaking the consistency. This was it for today. Not satisfied with the stuff that I have mentioned because I have to say a lot literally, but still this should be it, bro. I think this should be it. Thank you so much for being here till now. Bye.